And news just coming in, Masrat Alam may just be arrested. The Mufti Muhammad Saeed government has realized that there is no option but to arrest this separatist leader. There is nationwide outrage. How can somebody chant pro-Pakistan slogans, wave Pakistan flags and get away with it in the heart of Srinagar? Perhaps these leaders haven't realized this country has changed and this is unacceptable. To say Meri Jaan, Teri Jaan, Pakistan, then they might as well live in Pakistan. That's the outrage that's coming from across the length and breadth of this country. And now news coming in that Masrat Alam may just be sent back to jail because the legal fraternity was very clear that pro-Pakistan rant of Masrat Alam on the streets of downtown Srinagar was a violation of the bail order that he was out on. He's out on bail. There are serious cases against him and this tantamounts to violation of that bail order. And I want to bring in headlines today. Shuja ul Haq, who's breaking this big story for us. Shuja, tell us more.
Well, Gaurav, this all has to be seen also in the light of the fact that tomorrow is Friday and tomorrow is when Gilani's faction has also given a call for march towards Tral. That is something that will definitely be a cause of concern for this security establishment here. It'll be very interesting to see whether that has also made some sort of an impression on the minds of the security agencies, and that's what we are picking up. Masrat Alam quite possibly could be arrested, as our sources in the Home Ministry were also pointing out that the state government has given an assurance that it would happen probably by the evening today. But as of now, on the ground, the arrest hasn't happened. There are only hints and rumors that something like this may happen towards.
Okay. But are these rumors? What kind of security and what kind of an environment is Masrat Alam in, and what could his arrest lead to? I will just try and re-establish that line with headlines today. Shuja ul Haq, who's breaking that big story that separatist Masrat Alam may just be arrested. The question remains, is this preventive arrest or is this for his actions yesterday, or is there a little of both in this arrest? Shuja ul Haq saying that the proposed Tral march tomorrow and also the Friday prayers before that, the security forces want to take this separatist leader into preventive detention. Masrat Alam may just be arrested anytime soon. That is what headlines today Shuja ul Haq is reporting from Srinagar. There was a demand from across the length and breadth of this country that this man should not be permitted to be out on the streets. A strong message needs to be sent out. Separatists and pro-Pakistan elements belong in jail. They cannot rant against India. The writ of the government has to prevail.